Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
In ancient times, a loving husband made a painful choice to leave his beloved wife. His secret? A curse that turned him into an Oni. Devastated, she was consumed by jealousy and anger, unaware of his reason for leaving. Her intense emotions transformed her into a Hannya. Time passed, and the Oni roamed the lands, forever tormented by his choice. The weight of his club no match for the weight of his broken heart. One fateful day, their paths crossed once more. The sight of each other, though changed, rekindled the flames of their love. Their forms were different, their circumstances far from ideal, but their love, unbreakable. Together, they became symbols of passion's power, both its fury and its beauty. Just like these masks, crafted with the enchanting tricolor filament. See how they shift and shine, much like the ever-changing nature of love itself? Well, the tale of the Oni and Hannya lovers separated by cruel fate is a work of imagination. The emotions they represent are real. Jealousy, love, sadness, strength, these are all real feelings we can relate to. And though our story is but a whisper in the vast sea of legends, it's a reminder that every face, every mask, tells a story of its own. Perhaps there's a bit of magic in bringing these tales to life in your own hands.